on the run, and he will take two.
Like we said earlier, si Mark Kagiwa really looking for his offense, hitting the three-point shot over a taller defender, and ngayon taking it to the hoop. As we see his numbers, averaging only 8 points. That is the first 2 games since coming back from the injury. 13 na ginagawa ni Mark the Spark. Bay mong 14.
2-point lead para sa Ginebra.
At nakita natin itong mag-backcourt partner. Talagang nagka-pressure ng gusto.
Here's Dalan. Asa niya na agaw. Here's Hilterbrand on the move. And pinasa niya talaga yun. No? Alam niya si Rivas was behind him.
Yes. And exactly what Coach John wants to happen. Up-tempo, pressure in the backcourt, causing turnovers, and hopefully transition baskets for them. And they drop into a zone. It's a half-court defense.
And make the Tigers deliver from the outside. That's what Duremdes is trying to do. And he knocks in a TM3.
Delivering his 19th point. Ito si Captain Marbel. Putting them within one.
Conference high para kay Kenneth Duremdes as Menk is hammered. Second personal laban kay Chavez. At yan ang 13 foul laban sa Coca-Cola. Catley is coming in para palitan si Tolomia. Si Catley ang babantay dito kay Kagiwa. 1-point lead for Ginebra. Here's Hilterbrand. Yes, sir.
Grabe yung crossover na yun. Talagang humiwalay ang kanyang bantay. And tuloy ang backcourt pressure.
Here's Catley. Open shot. Wala pa rin. Here's Kagiwa. Kagiwa on the move. Fouled.
And Ginebra getting what they wanted. Nico pressuring hard in the backcourt, hoping for an early shot dito sa Coca-Cola and then turning it into offense.
Kita kanina yung crossover ni Hilterbrand halos
nawala.
Namulupot dun si Chavez na bigla nahilo.
Tumalikod
Oo. Score natin 56-52 in favor of Ginebra. Over 8 minutes to go in the third quarter. Here's Chavez on the move. Chavez to Duremdes for 3. At that time, rebound para kay Kagiwa. Kagiwa on the move. Kagiwa. Hilterbrand for 3. Yes, sir! I tell you, J.J. Hilterbrand, he is just absolutely delighted
to have his partner back.
What would Batman be without Robin?
Yun sidekick. Iba yung kombinasyon nila
the fast and the furious on the attack. Baliktad lang, Normally it's Hilterbrand dishing it to Kagiwa, but it's just as effective the other way around. What would Batman be without Robin? What would Guy be without Pip? What would Sharon be without Gabby?
Love team.
May mga tambalan talaga na hindi pwede paghiwalayin.
Richard with Nico. Parang ganun.
Ganun ba?
Di ba bagay?
Well, let me think about it.
Okay. And just like that, itong si Hilterbrand, 13 points na.
Ayun, agaw, Kagiwa, and he will score. And this pressure defense by Ginebra really wreaking havoc on Coca-Cola.
Yes, 9-point lead, just like that. Ang bilis.
Here's Dalan. Hand off to Duremdes. Turnover.
At yan yung sinasabi natin kanina, Miko, will Coca-Cola be able to keep up and sustain itong type of fast game ng Ginebra?
Hilterbrand on the move. Fires and misses. Bola na kay Telan. Telan acting like a point guard here. Telan pa rin may tangan ng bola. Telan will take it all the way and he was fouled. Wow. Coast-to-coast attempt for Mark Clemens Telan.
Kala ko iba back pass bigla pero Sabi niya, kailangan maka-score. Go hard to the basket, Mark Telan. As we see that steal by Mark Kagiwa. And like we said, yung backcourt pressure nitong dalawa, Nico, working wonders para sa Ginebra. Although pinalitan muna itong si Paul Artadi. Nakita natin JJ Helterbrand hinihingal dun sa ginawa nilang pressure.
$11 points for Mark Telan. Pero lamang ang Ginebra dito, 61-54. Here's Artadi taking over from Helterbrand. Salvacion, top shot. And muscling his way inside. Wala pa rin. Tulakan. And the Tiger will be tagged with a foul. Ayan, si Durentes.
Ginebra starting to show their force inside. Nico, big guys like Eric Menk, Rafi Rives. Kanina na uunahan sila sa rebounds. Pero right now, papakitang gila sila dito sa ilalim.
Here's Menk. Artadi. Step back jumper. Menk. Kagiwa. Thought about it. Here's Artadi on the move. Artadi tinawid muna. Lots of time to shoot for Ginebra. No reason to hurry here. Ito na, one-on-one. Kagiwa. Oy! Lipad. Kanina pa tumatalbog-talbog tong si Kagiwa.
Pero no problem. Tayo agad. Sabi mo nga, Pico, survival of the fittest.
Tripling exhibition si Mark Kagiwa din. So foul on Catley. Second personal against Cesar Catley. Mark Telan is back on the bench, and MC Caceres is back on the hard court for Coca-Cola. Second free throw for Mark Kagiwa.
Kagiwa with 19 points, matching the output of Kenneth Duremdes.
That seems to be our marquee matchup in this ball game. Here's the Maunan. Now setting the offense here. Caceres. Pasa kay Peak. Peak will score.
And they needed that, no, to close the gap somewhat bago lumayo itong Barangay Ginebra.
There's Artadi. And, you know, they will really leave Artadi open all year long until Artadi knocks home jumpers consistently. Pasa para kay Menk, nasabitan.
And they have to call that foul, Nico, dahil there was contact and he lost the ball. Normally, pag hindi nawala yung bola, kahit may banggaan na ganun, hindi na ilalet go na lang ng officials. But in that case, dispossessed ang nangyari. Nawala yung bola. It's an offensive player. And it's a foul on Ali Peak. His second personal foul.
Plus, there was a warning issued against Kenneth Duremdes for delaying the ball game.
Menk still struggling to find his offense after that breakout game, no? 22 points last game. Ngayon, 3 points pa lang so far.
Well, good thing for Ginebra, though, is that Mark Kagiwa seems to be back in the scoring form.
Yes, 19 points and another miss for Eric Menk.
7 points ang kailangan habulin dito ng Coca-Cola as we near the halfway mark of the third quarter. Catley, kanina pa ito inaalat from Rainbow Country. Rebound for Salvacion. Salvacion sends it over to Artadi and out of Kagiwa. Kagiwa against Enrile inside Menk. Menk cross-court Artadi. And as I mentioned, they will leave Artadi all year long, but Artadi sinks his second jumper of the ball game.
Give me that shot, I'll take it. Sabi niya, no lack of confidence from Paul Artadi.
Artadi, kinukulit si Dimaunan. Here's Enrile. Enrile on the move. Enrile will score.
And kita natin yung experience and leadership nitong si Aris Dimaunan. Di siya nataranta, amigo, finding Enrile for the layup, breaking that press of Ginebra.
And that's why Coca-Cola keeping in step here with Ginebra. Hindi sila nagpapaiwan ng todo-todo.
Oh, and if you look at the lineup, Nico, guys like Enrile, Caceres, eto si Catley, really role players, you know, and still they're able to keep up with Ginebra right now.
5.5 remaining in the third quarter. Artadi with a steal, Kent Lightning on the move. He passes to Kagiwa for 2.